Dolly zoom, or vertigo effect, is a cinematic technique. It's typically used in films to create a pause, indicate a danger, or show the confusion the character feels. Look at this. The size and the position of the main object keep the same, but the background is getting closer or farther away from the main object. This unique cinematic technique is created by Alfred Hitchcock and was used for the first time in his film Vertigo. So this technique is also known as Hitchcock zoom. To shoot a dolly zoom, photographer needs to mount the camera to a dolly and place the tracks. By moving the dolly on the tracks while adjusting the zoom lens of the camera, photographer can get this effect. The size and the position of the subjects in the frame stay the same. However, it's incredibly hard for beginners to shoot a dolly zoom. Don't worry, however, we can easily fake a dolly zoom effect within 1 minute using VideoProc Vlogger. We only need to record a video with the camera pulling out or pushing in. It's always recommended to shoot high-definition videos with the frame rate of 60 or above. This is because high definition and high frame rate gives us wiggle zoom to zoom footage in the post-production stage. Let's open VideoProc Vlogger. Changing the project settings, choose 4K as the resolution and set the frame rate to 60. Then we drag the video into VideoProc Vlogger. Add it to the video track. Let's check the first clip. It's a pull-out shot of a man standing on a mountain. The man looks smaller and smaller, so we just need to apply it with a zoom-in effect for making sure the size and the position of the people in the frame always keep the same. Next, let's open the motion editor. Add a keyframe at the ending point. Adjust this selection box to make sure the size of the people keep the same as it shows in the very beginning. Let's check out the outcome. We just made a dolly zoom effect. If you want to make this effect feel more noticeable, you can speed up the video. Hit the speed icon over here, then click on here, choose 2 times faster. Let's take a preview. It becomes more noticeable. What if we record a push-in shot? How to fake a dolly zoom effect? Let's look at the following example. The man looks larger and larger. It's easy to tell. The camera we used to record this clip moves in the opposite direction from the camera used to shoot the clip we just showed. In this case, we just need to add a keyframe at the beginning. Adjust this selection box for making sure the size of the man keeps the same all the time. Then we add a keyframe at the ending point. Tweak its settings. Let's take a preview. Well, it looks good. The man has become the center of the attention. Like what we already did, we can speed up this clip to create a more dramatic effect. Additionally, it's necessary to keep the background in the frame when we are faking the Dolly zoom effect, because it's the changing relationship between the background and the subject makes the Dolly zoom effect feel so striking. It's possible that we see no Dolly zoom effect at all if there's only little change in the background. Thus, we should pay attention to this point in the pre- and post-production stages. Well, this is all for today's video. Feel free to visit our official channel to find more awesome tutorials. Be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe, so you'll be notified as soon as we post anything new. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!